Why do some remember every detail from a book while others forget it entirely? The secret is not what they read, but how they read and engage with books. Good reading habits enhance both the quantity and quality of what you remember. Ralph Waldo Emerson reminds us that books shape our lives, even if we cannot recall every title. There are two types of readers: active readers who retain knowledge and passive readers who forget quickly. For active readers, the more they read, the better their retention. It's a transformative process. Think back to the books you studied in school. Their essence lingers long after you've read them. Class discussions and interactive reading experiences deepen our connection to the material we explore. To maximize our reading, we need a deliberate strategy for reflection and implementation. Let's dispel misconceptions. Quality is more important than quantity when it comes to reading. Speed reading is overrated. True reading comprehension comes from taking the time to understand. Ditch the fancy apps. All you truly need are a notebook and a pen for effective note-taking. Don't force yourself to finish every book. It's perfectly fine to put down those that bore you. Preparation before reading is pivotal. Knowing your purpose shapes your engagement with any book. Choosing books doesn't require conformity to trends. Find what resonates personally in your journey. Context matters. Understanding an author's background can illuminate the intentions behind their work. Reflecting on our motivations for reading helps us extract meaningful lessons from what we consume. Skim through the index or preface to grasp essential themes even before diving into the text. Matching books to your circumstances enhances your experience and comprehension. It creates a special connection. Feeling lost or facing grief? Books can provide powerful perspectives and support through tough times. Take diligent notes while reading. They are crucial for integrating and reflecting on key ideas. Maintain your focus. Carve out uninterrupted time to immerse yourself fully in a book's narrative. Don't hesitate to mark up your books. Writing marginalia fosters a deeper understanding of the material. Create vivid mental images for significant passages. This technique greatly boosts memory and recall. Establish connections between new concepts and what you already know to enhance comprehension. Utilizing mental models allows us to evaluate and synthesize the information we encounter more effectively. Don't be afraid to abandon poor reads. Life's too short to waste time on books that do not enrich you. The process of learning goes beyond just absorbing information. Reflection turns knowledge into wisdom. After reading, think about how to apply the lessons learned. It reinforces what you've absorbed. Teaching others what you've learned solidifies your understanding and can expose gaps in your knowledge. Building a searchable catalog of notes provides a vital resource for future reference and inspiration. To truly benefit from great books, reread them. Repetition is key to forming lasting memories of insights.